Yogasth. The wait is over, and Yogi Buddhadev is here to announce the most coveted, most popular of his course, the Yogic Life Management course. The Yogic Life Management course is a teacher training course spanning 3 months, covering some 110 to 120 hours of yogic studies. This very course, uh, though I would be definitely having a introductory session with you people to answer your very queries, questions about the course, its details and all. But for here, I would let you know that this very course will enable you to manage, to discipline, and to master your life and its very conditions. Yes. The Yogic Life Management course also enables you to become a teacher, authoritative teacher in yourself. You will become a certified teacher of yoga and meditation from Yogasth Vidya Rishikesh, of course, under the aegis of Yoga's Foundation. And you will definitely learn a lot about the yogic culture, yogic philosophy, yogic functions, and so many things from various traditions and all. Heavily, we definitely draw from the most popular and the father system of yoga, that is Satyananda Yoga, Bihar School of Yoga. This course will be an amalgamation from many cultures and traditions. The most popular ones, of course, that is Bihar School of Yoga, Vivekanand Yog Bengaluru, BKS Iyengar Saab, and of course the ancient and some modern, yogic system that have developed of late. The Yogic Management Life course will cover all the aspects of the yoga. You will come to know the yogic anatomy and physiology. You will definitely know the certain things about the human system, human nervous system, digestive system, respiratory system, and how it functions and how you can better manage them yogically. Not only that, in this very yogic life management course, we have specifically included the studies and training of the meditation. Meditation is definitely a very popular say term these days, but many of the people they actually don't know what meditation is. They are just devoid of the say the true picture of the meditation, and everybody is teaching meditation, just not knowing what he or she is doing. Here, you will come to know the art and science of the meditation, how the guided meditation should be used, what are the various aspects and intricacies of the meditation, how does meditation flow, and how a teacher must first learn meditation, and then what are the prerequisites and certain other conditions for taking one into the meditation and certain aspects of the meditative practices. As I said, the detail is definitely will be discussed in an introductory session. But let me tell you here that, as you know, the main conductor of the course would be I myself, Yogi Buddhadev. You know about me, and the other main teacher will be Sadhvi Shivani. Some of you definitely know her, and she has been with me and assisting me in various of my workshops, yogic programs, and certain other, say, spiritual courses for more than 8 years now. Together with it, she is a postgraduate from postgraduate in yoga from Uttarakhand University, and she also has a diploma in yoga from Dev Eternal Yoga. Not only that, she is also qualified as a yoga teacher from Yoga Alliance. So you would definitely have a lot more things with qualified and experienced teachers, and you will definitely make your life beautiful, make your life healthy, happy, hilarious, and at the same time, you would become a teacher, a yogacharya, and can help them, can help your students, can help others to grow in yogic consciousness, to maintain their health, to take care of your health and personality, to master their yogic life and all. So this definitely is going to be a blast. Probably, I'll just say next month or so. Yes, of course. And see you there, and see you soon in an introduction session of yogic life management. So wait is over. Coming soon. Be there. See you. Yogasth.